Hey everyone, welcome back. Rebecca Jean with Style My Sweets. Today I have some 5 and below DIY decor to share with you. These are going to be fun, easy, affordable home decor DIYs that you can make on a budget, but don't worry, if you don't have a 5 and below store near you, you can definitely pick up some smaller versions of these items in Dollar Tree, or you can even pick up similar things in like Walmart or definitely on Amazon. This is my first time making anything from 5 Below. I haven't been in there in so long, but I found some things that just jumped out at me. I thought they were so cool. So I can't wait to show you how these turned out. Comment below though and let me know, do you have a 5 and below store near you? Have you been in one before? And would you like to see more DIYs from there? Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and let me know. And I hope you'll comment and let me know which one of these ideas is your favorite. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one. So for this one, I actually found these large tumbling tower Jenga game blocks in 5 and below, and I thought this was a great deal because you can get these in Dollar Tree, but they're pretty small, and the blocks that you get here in the 5 and below store are actually like pretty large, substantial rectangle cubes of wood. So I really like these. I think you could really make like a more substantial piece of decor. So the first thing I'm going to make is going to actually be kind of like a lantern or a vase, and then we're going to turn this into something even larger and more amazing. So stay tuned. Let me show you. Getting started, I'm just laying out 4 of these kind of just like in a square pattern here, and then on each end here I put, on the left side and the right side, I did wood glue dots all the way around these, and then I added 4 more blocks that kind of connect. So these ones that go on top connect from corner to corner, and it's basically another square but offset from the one on the bottom. So this one is kind of like a square that's turned on the diagonal on top of the one below it, so that the points are offset, almost as if you were trying to make like a star or something out of the points. So hopefully that kind of makes sense. And you just do this as many times as you want to make this vase or candle holder be as tall as you want it to be. And then you can place down inside of here, you can place some LED candles. I love my timer candles. You can also place like a glass vase or some kind of vase or jar for some water, and then use this as a beautiful planter. You can have some flowers in here, and it looks so beautiful and decorative, and just hides, whatever kind of container you put inside it for your water, for your flowers. So definitely there's some options for how you want to use this, and of course you can paint it however you like, whatever color will fit with your decor. Now another idea for this one is to take this one a step further and create a table out of it. So basically just make your vase piece taller and go as tall as you want your table height to be. This is going to make a really cute side table or end table, and something you could put by a chair or something you could have in the living room next to the couch. It's just going to be perfect for like just having a place to set something down on, a great little corner accent table. So I just went as high as I wanted with this and did the exact same thing I did for the vase, went a little bit taller, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick up a large wood circle from Home Depot. You could probably find this in Lowe's, maybe even find it in Hobby Lobby, possibly Walmart. I'm not sure. I know they do have some larger pieces of wood as well. But I got this, I think it was around $12 in Home Depot, and they do have a smaller one that was like $6, or I'll try to put a link to the one that I exactly end up using for this in case you're trying to get the exact same one. Wood table is finished. I love how it came out. This was really affordable and easy to make. So I spent around $15 or $17, I think, total, maybe $17 to make this, since I had to buy the top. But you could do a smaller top and make your table for like $12. So the base is just $5 of wooden pieces from 5 Below. So such a good deal. But now here is where I wanted to ask you guys, I need your help. What color would you stain this? And I kind of want to ask you, like, what would you do with it? But I also would love your opinion on, like, what do you think would look good in this room? Because part of me, I really want to just do like a very light natural stain. I think that this natural wood is so pretty the way that it is, and it just looks amazing, and I really, really love it the way that it is. However, I also feel like I don't really have other furniture that's this light of a color, and so I'm kind of worried that it doesn't really match. Like I feel like it needs to be a darker wood. Like I either need to do maybe like a white or a gray, or I just need to do more of like a darker, like a mahogany or a walnut stain, something darker. So what would you do? What do you think would look best in this room? What color would you do if it was in your house? Leave me all the tips and advice down below. I mean, I could even do an accent piece and really go for something more of like a mauve or a pink shade, since I do have some of those colors here in the living room. That would be really cool. But I'm hesitant just because I really like the natural wood grain on here. And then if I want to get that back, I'm gonna have to like sand down this entire, and there are so many little like pieces in here. This would be not fun to have to sand down again later. So I kind of don't want to do a solid color just because I think I might regret it, and kind of want to keep some of this wood grain to it. So I'm very undecided. I would love your help. Comment below any suggestions that you have for this table, and you guys will probably see it in future videos with whatever I get the most advice to do. I'll probably do that, and then yeah, you guys will see it in future videos, and or you'll probably see it on Instagram as well. So if you guys have been watching my DIY videos for a while, then you probably know that over the last few months I've done some acrylic pours, and basically I created all of the artwork that's pretty much around our home right now. And it's so much fun to do. So if you have not done an acrylic pour before, I thought we would give it a try on here because I did find these canvases in Five Below, and then I also found paint there as well. So I think this is going to be fun to try to do. These are 100% cotton canvas, a 16 by 20, and you get 2 of them for $5. So I think that is an amazing deal. It is way less expensive than what I paid on Amazon when I've bought this size before. So they actually had a few different ones. I picked up these. This says it's a glitter paint, so we will see. They don't actually look glitter on the front, but we'll see how this works out. I think they did have other acrylic paints, and for some reason I thought that these were acrylic, but now I don't see that on there. So these were $5, and they did have a variety of paints for $5, including some acrylic ones. So I guess we will see how this works. And Dollar Tree also has acrylic paint, so I will link a video down below where I did an acrylic pour using paint from Dollar Tree. So you can always use that if all else fails. Go to Dollar Tree and get some acrylic paint there. You may need to thin it out a little bit. So to do that, you can use either like a clear glue. What I like to use is a gloss finish pouring medium, like Liquitex brand pouring medium. I use that one a lot, and it works really well. So that'll help you create your acrylic pour a little nicer. But let's go ahead and give these a try. You can pick up some acrylic white paint in Dollar Tree, but I actually tend to get this one just ready to pour, and I buy it in bulk since I like to do so many paint projects. I love this color here. I think I'm going to use a gray as well, and I think I'm going to try to combine this pink and orange and see what I can make out of that. So we'll see how this works.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night.
And this one I'm going to use the pink, the yellow, and the orange and see what we can come up with. Add a little bit of the pouring medium. I feel like this is giving it almost like a tangerine color. I'm gonna try adding a little bit of purple into here, mix that in, and see what happens. Okay, we're gonna add a little more yellow now and hope we can get this to almost like, what I'm picturing is kind of like a terracotta color, and that's what I'm hoping I can kind of turn this into using the pink, the orange, the yellow, and the purple. And hopefully we can get it kind of like an orangey brown.
Out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right,
You seem to have the time, but when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of life.
And that's it. Now we're gonna go ahead and just let this sit and dry. And this is gonna take a good 24 hours to dry. I usually actually wait a few days, and then you can put an acrylic sealer on if you want, and it'll really be sealed and good to go.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the view.
Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment and let me know which one of these home decor DIYs was your favorite. Thank you so much for being here. I wish you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any